dancing on the water's edge, sailboats drifting past the harbor ledge. Your summer dress flows gently in the breeze as we toast to moments like these. The captain calls that we're about to sail, while seagulls circle in our trailing wake. Compass pointing south to warmer shores, a 3-day journey we've been waiting for. The mainland fades as we set out to sea, just the endless horizon, you and me, the rhythm of the waves beneath our feet, the taste of salt upon your sun-kissed cheeks. Guitar and piano echo across the bay as twilight slowly steals the day away. Ocean breeze, memories drifting back to me. White sails on the horizon as far as I can see. Summer love and starlight playing our song. Ocean breeze, memories carry me along, like the tides returning to familiar shores. These moments with you I'll treasure evermore. Smooth island rhythms from the cabin sound as your hair turns golden in the sunset glow. We drop anchor in a hidden cove where time stands still and worries go. The marina lights twinkle from afar as we share secrets beneath the stars. Champagne bubbles match the gleaming wake. Moonlight pathways only lovers take. The yacht rocks gently on the evening tide as we dance slowly side by side. The tide pulls in, the tide pulls out. Some things change, some things never fade. Like photographs in my mind, they remain crystal clear after all these years. That summer sail along the coast with you became the compass for all I do. When life gets rough and storms appear, I close my eyes and you're still here. White sails on the horizon as far as I can see. Summer love and starlight playing our song. Ocean breeze, memories carry me along. Every nautical mile, every passing cloud whispers your name.